morning sa inyo lahat mga kabaliwan and welcome to my B1 Random Project playlist. Today, I am back with another Roblox inspired EVA foam build. And this time, we are making the Builderman. You know him, the Roblox legend with the yellow hard hat, that signature wink, and a confident side smile like he just placed the final brick in the coolest game ever. This one's also a birthday commission. Yes, another 6-year-old who's about to transform into a full-blown Roblox character. And before we start, it is time for Friend of the Day.
Friend of the Day! Friend of the Day!
Greetings to the following: Whitey, Mike TV, Rico Mambo 9549, and to Evelyn Rose. Hello Ricky, my bad bro. How are you? Thank you for your kind comment and thank you for your support. And for those who are still new to this channel, hi, I am Alice Arriesgado and my passion is making different projects and showing you how I do it. So please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification button for more updates. Remember, it's one day or day one. You decide. Let's do it now. Roblox Builderman. Now, let's get building. So just like before, I needed a pattern to shape the top of Builderman's head. And what better model to use than an actual, real-life hard hat? But of course, I couldn't use the actual hard hat because, well, it's heavy enough to start a construction project that would be a big ouch for the kid's neck. So instead, I covered the hard hat with masking tape, just like I am mummifying it. Then threw in some aluminum foil to get the curves and edges just right. Cut, peel, and boom! Instant foam friendly pattern. Next up, I transferred the pattern to trusty EVA foam. Foam is life. It's light, it's flexible, and it won't cause any construction site neck injuries. After that, I rolled up another sheet of foam like a sushi roll and glued it into a cylinder. This forms the main head shape. Now, here's the cool part. I took the finished foam version of the hard hat and slapped it on top like a helmet from Roblox Heaven. Bottom part is open. Of course, we want the kid to actually wear it and not suffocate like a Roblox avatar stuck in the wall. Next up, I cut out the eye holes. One eye open, one eye winked, and yes, the smirk is included. Because Builderman doesn't smile with his whole face, he smiles with attitude. Then, it's hard hat time. I shipped and glued all the foam parts for the helmet to sit right. Prime the surface and painted everything to match the Roblox look. Final touches? Black mesh for the eye and the mouth holes so the kid can see out but no one can peek in. Just like a mini Roblox superhero. And there you have it. Builderman in real life. Ready to party, pose, and maybe build a house or just the best birthday ever. If you like this build, smash that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more awesome phone builds, fun ideas, and creative chaos. Catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching.